Baka may post na niya kagad.
Oh, you just cook it all. Somebody will eat it. Send it down to Carson.
This is Sonia's dad.
That one.
I'm not gonna have much of that.
Pwedeng,
Yeah, but I just want a little piece.
yeah, cut mo na.
No, like a fourth of that. Then way down.
Yung pala.
No.
And then the other one, let it get real. burnt.
Hindi pa yan.
You may want to give Ty half of that because it's already about medium rare, probably. I'm not gonna eat that.
Ayan pala yun.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Hindi luto na ano. Sa gitna.
Dito ko ba yung post na yun?
You want to try more meat?
Rare, medium rare.
Baka.
You wanna
Di
try
yan
this
eh.
one?
Nakuha na niya
No,
yun.
it's not hot.
Uy,
No, not at all. Nope.
Sa fried chicken, okay lang kung may
Cut mo nga.
parang dugo sa bone. Okay yan,
Konti.
diba?
Konti.
Not hot.
But not a lot.
Oh.
Gusto mo, tita?
One little
Yeah. Luto na ba yan?
cucumber.
Lagyan mo na si Lolo. Si Lolo ba yan? Ay, ito.
Ano?
Wait, I'll get you more.
No, this is good.
Uy, ate, hati tayo sa steak naman.
Yeah.
Ayun, ang dami dyan.
Yung taba lang kinuha ko eh.
Ay, salamat. I'll give you some. Jay, you want any steak? Any meat?
That's good.
No, this one, ipakatikim mo kay Jay dyan. No, this one we'll try.
Wait, it's not.
Watch your drink.
May isa pa kong test next Thursday.
What else?
Sa classic.
So that's good kung matuloy. Anong pangalan niya ulit?
Alex.
Alex, okay.
Alex Painter. Full name Alexandra Painter.
Sure.
Alexandra Casey. I think Casey yung second name.
Painter siya.
I'm only gonna do that. No, I'm gonna try that. You know, the red one my mind's putting in. What's that?
Yeah, I want to try that one.
I can't remember. It's something or other.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it might be Chuck. One of those is
Bulgogi.
Chuck. Bulgogi. Bulgogi.
They don't do that. Stuck na.
Baby, push all your stuff away. We can't reach down there. We have to go.
Do you want more? Wala namang spoon. Ayun, kinuha. Madre, wag na nasa camera kayo ni. Wag kayo magnakaw ng ganyan naman. Nakakahiya.
One big get
Okay.
Saan ba yung gusto mo?
Oh, okay.
Mara, dito na ba? Yung malambot.
May...
Ito.
ito, gusto mo karton?
Oh, I already have yours.
Okay.
Ayan ang gusto. Ito luto na ba yan? Here you go. The one that you guys like.
You think I got paid yesterday? Because I paid for her meal yesterday. Go through my discount.
Parang masarap.
Saan mo nilibre? Ikaw naglibre? Ha?
Camera namin. May discount ka. Sinabi mo doon ka nagtatrabaho?
Oh,
Saan siya nagtatrabaho?
Jay, do you not right?
she works at an accounting office.
For those
Okay.
We're mostly like focused sa school.
You full?
Okay.
Libre yung tuition niya.
Okay. Ay, kasi military. Okay.
No, she was shrugging like she may not be.
That's good.
This is the...
Si Jade ni. Try mo nga kay...
Wait, I'll make it. Oh!
Kulang yung right?
Meron pa ni... Ibigay mo.
Salamat.
Does anyone need more rice?
I think we still have.
We're good.
We have run.
Ubus na.
Oh, never mind.
Eh, mamaya.
Ay, patayin ka. Oo.
Masunog!
Try mo, mother.
Side
Patatas
dishes
yan.
lang, mother. Pwede nang kainin.
Here's the...